على دي درزمه عليها ويدو.
So he's saying that this camel that he wants to sell us works at a mill. And it's very used to carrying large weights because they put large weights on its back, they cover its eyes, and it continues walking in circles around the mill to grind the grain. So he's saying all day it walks around the mill, so it's very strong, very used to carrying weights.
What if he meets a truck on the trail which will give a loud signal, and how will it react?
Sorry, what?
If we meet a truck on route who will make a lot of noise, will it be a problem? Because he's used to go inside.
But he's also يعني إذا نخرج له خارج ويبصر ناس مليان وسيارات
ما يفتجع ولا شيء. شوف عندما يغطوا عيونه هنا في المعصرة هكذا يجلس يدور دول اليوم لجل لا يتأثر الجمل.
لا انه بيسافر خط طويل.
يتهيأ له انه بيسافر من هنا على ما قلت يسافر للمغرب. يسافر دول اليوم.
So what they're saying is that when they cover its eyes in the mill, the camel thinks like it's traveling long distances, which is probably not too true. There's not too much truth in it, but it's saying that it won't get too scared. It's also right next to the road anyway, so it's used to the sounds of cars. It's used to people coming into the mill all the time, so it won't get too scared when it encounters these things on the road.
So how will we be able to see this?
وين
موجود. انا مستعد اوريك الان. لا في المعصرة جمل كبير.
جمل
انا قاعد داخل
في باب اليمن.
انت
لا ذكر مش عندك.
If you guys want to go see it, it's in Bab al-Yaman right now. We can get into the car, we can drive over there and go see it.
واخرج له عندك وتطلع فوقه وما
اطلع فوق السيارة نصير مسر.
على طول.
اجي معنا.
على طول.
ايش اسمك يا فندم؟
يحيى احمد.
حياك الله.
هذا عقل السوق.
يلا كاثري.